Today we are looking at okonomiyaki, or Japanese savory pancake. These are great for feeding lots of people. Easy, tasty, and fast. Let's get stuck in. Start off by finely dicing a lot of cabbage, maybe a quarter. Shred and turn 90 degrees and dice. Now it's time for the batter. 500 grams of flour and water. Then we will mix to combine. Whisk optional. You want this to look like pancake batter. Mix and mix. Prop in one leg and mix the mix to combine. Now it's time to add the cabbage. Just a couple of handfuls, then mix the mix to combine. Now that you have made a nice mess, your purple is done. Heat up some oil in a small fry pan and ladle in your mixture. Beautiful. And pop the lid on. Oops, forget the pork. Lay them now roll on the top. Don't worry, they'll cook through. After a couple of minutes under the lid. Time to flip. Lid back on. Do not impress with double flap. Lid on. And off. Continue this until you can get a clean chopstick stop. Time to plate up. Add on a good thick spread of Okonomiyaki sauce. Slather that bad boy. Make some concentric circles. Maybe a little nicer than this. Grab a chopstick and start drawing. Drag out from the center. And then into the center. Lovely flower. Spinach spin. Bonito Flakes for garnish. Serve on some seaweed. And then get that thumbnail. My drink of choice today is Abyssus Premium White. Crack it. Sip it. Braid it. Set it. Time to dig in. Chop yourself off a chunk. And itadakimasu. Oishii. Wash it down with some beer. Ah, so good. Japanese people love having friends over and cooking okonomiyaki while drinking together. We put that portable teppan on the table. It's really fun, so if you get a chance, I hope you have a go. Whether it's with friends or a party of one. Till next time.